Hi, how's it going? And today, we're going to make fruit curry. Now, you may be asking, why were you in the bathtub that was full of ice and dry ice? It's not because I needed to, it's because I wanted to. The main reason why was I hate summer. Sizzling hot weather, bugs. After the day it was raining, it's gonna be humid. I really hate summer. Actually, it's so hot right now that I just reheated my coffee outside here. It's quite really hot. It's damn hot. Dry ice. I got in my mouth. Now, before I go hang out with my friends, I'll explain to you something about how hot it is in Japan right now. Of course, I will not link you where I live. And you will notice that it is around 28 degrees Celsius right now. But it's hotter than that, since it's gonna be 29 degrees. And for you Americans, it's about 83 degrees of burger. This is me and my friends hanging out. The cicadas were loud, sizzling hot weather, and it rained the day before that, so it was humid. But we still all had fun, playing Guilty Gear and beating them with Happy Chaos. I feel like a kid again, at Neon hanging out with friends in summer. But the pain starts after that. Going home after playing with friends is painful. Hot weather, swelling like bullets shooting in America. When you get home, you smell bad and feel sticky because of all the sweat. Now, you may be asking to me now like, this is a cooking video. Why are you explaining all this? All that hatred against summer. Well, here, it's because I have reached 10-minute mark for this video. Now, fruit curry and not normal curry. I myself hate the instant curry packs. They're alright, but they taste so fake and does not taste like real curry. They taste like cardboard dipped in curry the more you eat them. Now, why fruits? We have here a frozen apple and mango. Because fruits have natural sweeteners and they will add some body for our curry. The fruits will be our sweeteners and will be the main ingredients of the curry. And if I make any mistakes and trigger any curry lovers, I am sorry. I did kind of made my own fruit curry. It was my experiment food, and now I'm showing you my final version of fruit curry that tasted the best. Fun fact, curry rice was invented by William Smith Clark, who was at Sapporo Agricultural School. Later it has become, Hokkaido University in 1876, is known as the inventor of the term curry rice. And another claim has that it was from Britain when they visited India back in 1800s. When they were returning to England, they made their own curry on ship and just added some rice next to it, making it as a hearty meal for the sailors. But I don't care about the curry rice's origin, I just care if it tastes good. If you want a simple version, you can make fruit curry with only apple and mango. Or, if you want to experiment, go ahead. This time, I added kiwi and banana too. The good thing about frozen fruits with not edible skin is that you can boil them for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then you can easily cut them and peel the skin off. Now you can use the blender for this curry. Or if you want some fruit bits, just cut them into tiny bits. I will now prepare the vegetables. You can add the vegetables you want, like I like broccoli and zucchini. You want pepper bells? Go ahead. You added some lettuce? You are a fucking psychopath. You add some eggplant? You are a Chad. You don't like vegetables. You are a crybaby who does not appreciate how good the vegetables are. Put the fruits in the blender. I added apple, mango, kiwi for a bit of sourness, and banana for experiment, sweetness, and more body for the curry. I also added onion and ginger, and then turn it on. For the meat, I use chicken breast. You want pork? Go for it. Beef? Even better. Rabbit, deer, or bear meat? Where do you live? On an island with the Wi-Fi and looking for some cooking tips by a random Japanese guy who is an urge to cry every time he has to go outside for work while it's sizzling hot? Pauger Sasibaka. I cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces so it will cook properly and I won't get the salmonella special. I season the pan with oil, I cooked the chicken, added some garlic, and the vegetables. Salt and pepper for the taste. Also, I forgot the tomato. Peel the skin off the tomato and add that to the blender as well.
Once the vegetables and the meat is fully cooked, add that fruit smoothie with onion special onto the pan. Add some coriander, red pepper powder, cumin, and turmeric. Wait for 5 minutes and taste. It tastes bland, you must be vegetarian and you didn't add meat. So add some more salt or some umami flavor like soy sauce. No sweetness. You didn't add enough fruits. Or, you can fix it with some brown sugar and some cinnamon. I love curry. Why would you want to eat curry in summer, you ask? It's already hot. Why do you eat hot and spicy food? There's a saying in Japan, 暑い時には暑いものを食べる. Or in English, when it's hot, eat hot. You will sweat, but if it tastes good, oh yeah, we don't care. You sweat the good kind of sweat, not the sticky kind of sweaty. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but you get the point. We don't care if it's hot, we care if it's good or not. Reduce the curry on low heat, or if you're in a hurry, just put it on high. Keep checking if the curry is too reduced or not, but that's on you. Food is about cooking with love, not with hunger. That's my motto. Give some love and thought for the food you're preparing. It will come out nice and all your hard work is going to be worth it. That's why I learned cooking since I was 10. I loved cooking. It's therapeutic. You learn a lot of stuff, and when you make a mistake, it's all good. That's what cooking's all about. When you make a mistake, you can cook better. It's not about perfection, it's all about how it tastes. Also, the measurements about the spices earlier, mostly about tablespoons, but I don't like measuring stuff. We are cooking, not on a science class. You measure stuff when you're either on a science class or in a math class. Or if you're on an architect at work or you're working with Walter White. A simple way to measure stuff is with your hands. 1 cup and 2 cups. Also, I am running out of stuff to cook. Let me know what do you want to see me cook for the next episode of Garbage with Gure. Speaking about my name, this channel is sponsored by my channel. I've recently got to 1600 subscribers. Thank you so much. Even though not a lot of people watch my videos daily, but I really do appreciate people who watches my videos, let alone just subscribing is also helpful. So I really do thank all of you. This kind of stuff is what makes me motivated to make more videos and, all that shenanigans of what other YouTubers say. So share my channel to your friend or your pet if they're into this kind of stuff, like some gaming stuff, cooking stuff. I don't know. They might learn a thing or two from my channel. Some Japanese words, cooking stuff, or some of the things they haven't learned about yet. So yeah, I really do mean it. Thank you. After a few minutes, and if the curry is reduced a bit and it's a lot more creamier, in case you could say that, when basically it doesn't really, run down the back of the spoon or this thing. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, that means it's done. Let it rest for around 10 minutes, or if you want, 30 minutes. Let the flavors get to know each other. Taste again. Add more soy if you want, more brown sugar. If I prefer don't, just add some cinnamon for a bit more sweetener, I guess. So yeah, and that's it. I prepared some brown rice too. Yeah, and here it is. Well, this is what it looks like. Yeah, it looks good. Pretty good. Yeah, this curry has no water, by the way. So yeah, it's pretty good. No water needed. Just some fruits, tomato, vegetables, and meat. That's it. And some spices. Don't forget about that. Now, how does it taste though? Now, imagine this. You're in a hot summer day. You want to eat something spicy, and then eat this curry. Sweet. If I added some kiwi or some sourness or some lemon and stuff, a bit of sour, salty, spicy. The smell and the smell of summer. It has this smell of summer with some spices. It's good. It's not that heavy, surprisingly, and it's really, I would say it's pretty healthy because it's a fruit. It's not a lot of oil because I use chicken breast. So yeah. And in fact, it's so good, it makes me want to eat while I'm standing on the table and on stuff on the kitchen stove. Don't do this. I'm a trained professional. So yeah, don't do this. Now that's the warning. Yeah, it's a simple meal. It's really good. I hope you guys try it sometimes, because I really do like it. I like it so much that I ate it the next day after my work.